Are you tired of creating endless shorts and still not getting any results? Think of creating 1,500 YouTube shorts in just 20 minutes. Sounds unreal, but today I'm going to show you my step-by-step process using AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT help you. You can do it if you are dedicated and consistent. Whether you are a content creator, a brand, or a startup. Believe me or not, this approach will be a game changer. I stuck it in because I didn't want to miss it. Why the emphasis on shorts? So why the emphasis on shorts? Let's break it down. Let's look at the numbers first. Shorts are exploding right now. According to YouTube, short videos alone are viewed over 15 billion times per day, and even TikTok passed the 1 billion users mark. These platforms work hard not to compete with shorts, which means more organic access for creators like us. Also, with more opportunities. You could make more money, but it's not pretty much cash. It's additionally about boom. Shorts are rapid, suitable for eating, and pretty shareable motion pictures. Hence, they are easy to make by using AI automation, and one can easily grow. This makes it perfect for attracting visitors and constructing a loyal target market quickly. You can use it to get viewers for your long videos. It's your choice to make money, or just to grow your channel. Step 1. Create a script using ChatGPT. Alright guys, take the first step, use ChatGPT to make script. This tool helps you to create scripts and saves time. This is the way to make the most of it. Start by way of commencing ChatGPT and thinking about your niche. Ask ChatGPT for it. Type "tell me best niches for YouTube shorts to make money." As you can see, it has given me best of the best niches. You can go through all and choose what's best for you. Alright, now as you have got your niche chosen, whether it is health, cooking, motivation, or private finance, type a prompt like "create 10 TikTok video ideas for health beginners," or "create an inspirational script with a good hook." The key right here is specificity. The more precise you are, the better. The higher the results might be. And in some seconds you may have new thoughts. So many to be had. Pro tip: use ChatGPT's capacity to create multiple variations. Ask exclusive or extraordinary faces at the same topic. This offers you positive styles of facts on your one-of-a-kind target market segments. For instance, in case you're within the fitness section, add 5-minute workout routines, healthful recipes, or myths. I am choosing the title 5-minute workout routines. About common sporting events, this technique no longer best saves time, but it additionally enables make certain that your content material is diverse and exciting. I am choosing the title 5-minute workout routines for this tutorial. And as you can see, here is my script ready. Step 2. Making voiceover. Now we will need a voice for the script we made using ChatGPT. For that, we will use 11 Labs. 11 Labs is a website that specializes in voice synthesis technology, particularly focusing on creating highly realistic and expressive AI-generated voices. Their platform allows users to generate lifelike speech in various languages and accents, making it useful for content creators, businesses, and developers looking to create voiceovers, audiobooks, or interactive applications. 11 Labs' advanced AI models aim to capture natural human intonations and emotions, making synthetic voices almost indistinguishable from real ones. Here is a huge variety of voices from which we can choose from. According to our needs, I will go through few voices and choose the best for our video. So I have chosen this voice. This suits our niche and category the best. Now I will paste my script here. Now I will click on generate. As can see, we have our voiceover ready. Step 3. Making our audio ready. We are done creating our voiceover. Now we need to make it ready for making a video in Canva. For this, I'm using CapCut. CapCut is a video editing app that allows users to easily trim, merge, and enhance videos with effects, filters, music, and text. It's popular for creating polished social media content, offering features like speed adjustments, transitions, and high-resolution exports, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced creators. I will cut all the gaps from the audio, making it more engaging for our viewers. As can see, I have trimmed all the gaps from the audio we made earlier. Now I will export it for further processes. Step 4. Let's create videos using Canva. Now, on to the second step. We will create videos. Canva is a really good website for this. We will leverage this to make shorts. Here's the way to use them to create remarkable shorts. Speedy. First, go to Canva and select a video template that suits your area of interest. Canva provides many templates, from minimalist designs to colorful, lively ones. Choose one which is best for you. Next, take the audio for script we made earlier using ChatGPT and paste it into Canva. Create the video you need, upload good resources and transitions. And don't forget to check Canva's audio library. You can upload background music or sound outcomes to make your shorts extra dynamic and interesting. Remember, music plays a massive role in retaining your target market engaged. Another satisfactory feature is batch modifying. When growing a couple of videos, Canva permits you to create templates and practice them to multiple motion pictures straight away. This will prevent tons of time whilst retaining a regular appearance and experience of your brand. Try extraordinary techniques. Use lively textual content, overlays and effects to make your content material pop. The more enticing your video is, the much more likely viewers are to look at to give up and have interaction with it. I will edit a good video using Canva and also make sure to make it engaging and eye-catching. As you can see, I have made a good-looking video for myself, and it suits our script well.
We're starting with jumping jacks for 30 seconds. This is a great full-body warm-up to get your heart pumping. Keep that energy up. Alright, moving into squats for 30 seconds. Make sure to drive through your heels and keep your chest up. Feel that burn in your legs and glutes. Next, we're hitting those upper body muscles with push-ups. Go at your own pace. If needed, you can drop to your knees. Let's go for 30 seconds. Now, engage that core. We're holding a plank for 30 seconds. Keep your back straight, core tight, and breathe. You're halfway there. All right, let's pick up the pace with mountain climbers for 30 seconds. Keep driving those knees towards your chest and stay strong. Almost done. Great job, everyone. Let's cool it down with a quick stretch. Reach those arms up high. Then fold forward and stretch out your hamstrings. You earned it, and that's it. 5 minutes of solid work. Repeat this routine for an even greater challenge, or save it for when you need a quick burst of energy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick workouts. See you next time.
Step 5. Automate and scale. Now, let's talk about automation and scaling. This is the secret sauce. Start by making reusable templates in Canva. This helps you to save time and not edit videos again and again. Use Canva's potential to create a couple of templates. Think of distinctive colors, fonts, or layouts to hold your content unique, and that is wherein the real magic occurs. Combine Canva's batch introduction tool with ChatGPT's bulk script technology. Use bulk download features to export all your motion pictures at once and agenda them with tools like Hootsuite or Later. This method you could set the whole lot up in just a few minutes and then address the rest of the automation. This method lets you pay attention on what topics maximum speaking along with your audience, studying enterprise, and planning your next massive occasion. At last, tips for maximizing monetization and growth. Finally, let's talk about some basic tips for greater income and growth. 1. Follow forum guidelines. Always make sure your content fits the YouTube and TikTok algorithm. Check for regular updates to stay in compliance. 2. Optimize for search. Use tools like TubeBuddy or Vidiq to find trending keywords and hashtags. Put the right tags in description box. This will help your shorts lift well and attract more viewers. It will also help you to reach new audience. 3. Include a strong CTA. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or follow your channel. It will tell algorithm that your videos are worth promoting to new viewers. 4. Leverage analytics. Check your analytics regularly on YouTube Studio. See what's working best for you and what not. Improve your content by learning from it. 5. Connect with your audience. Respond to comments, conduct surveys, and ask for feedback. The more you get involved, the more loyal your audience will be. Use these tips and check your shorts level of play. More views, more engagement, and ultimately more money. Then there you have it. An efficient, powerful way to create 1,500 monetizable shorts in just 20 minutes using AI. Ready to start creating? If you found this video helpful, break out that like button, hit subscribe, and comment below with your favorite trick from today's video. Create, grow, and see you on the other side. Thank you for watching, and if you want more videos like this, stay tuned.